Understanding my team's pre-approval process on Major Money Matters. Welcome to Major Money Matters. My name is Major. I'm a mortgage broker powered by Edge Home Finance. And I would like to just take a couple of minutes to explain to you my team's pre-approval process. So whether you're buying your first home or your 101st home, my team endeavors to serve you in the best possible way. But we also want you to understand what our process is for helping you get pre-approved quickly, and then understanding the market, and then getting you out to find a home and get you into a home as quickly as humanly possible. So what you have is, first thing, you have a link that is a electronic application. That electronic application is going to walk you through some steps to give us some information about you. Typical if you've done a pre-approval before, this is just some general information. Now, one thing that is different is the application is going to ask you for your monthly income. Now, you can go ahead and estimate your monthly income, or for to be quick and simple about this, you can just put $1 and move on. If it asks you how much money is in your bank account, you can put $1 and move on. At some point in the process, on the electronic application, you're going to be asked to upload your last 30 days of pay statements. If you're active duty military, that's going to be a LES. If you're a regular W-2 employee, that's going to be your pay stubs from the last 30 days. Or if you're self-employed, we're actually going to need your taxes from the last 2 years. All right. And then also it's going to ask you to upload a bank statement. Your bank statement from the last month. Absolutely perfect. Whatever the end of the month bank statement was, where you keep the majority of your funds, you're going to upload that also to our secure portal. All right. The only thing we really care is accurate on the data entry part is your name, your date of birth, and your social. Okay. Now, if you happen to be in a community property state, Texas, California, and you're doing a government loan, okay, not for conventional loans. If you're doing a government loan, which is a VA loan, FHA loan, or USDA loan, you do have to include your spouse's information on your application, okay? If you don't, it delays the process, because we have to reach back out to you to get that information. That is required on all government loans in community property states, okay? So outside of that, then once you upload all of your documents, from the time you upload all of your documents until we reach back out to you, will likely be about 24 to 48 hours. In that 24 to 48 hours, our pre-approval specialist is looking at your information in your application and kind of structuring your available options to you in the form of down payment, programs that you can get a mortgage in, and so forth. We're structuring all of those sums. You're doing a refinance. We're figuring out where your refinance fits, what the best options are for you. And then about 24 to 48 hours after you upload all of your documents, and then I will be contacting you, or my team will be contacting you, to do what we call a loan consultation. That loan consultation is going to discuss with you your options. And we typically like to do that over phone or over Zoom. So you can expect someone to reach out to you and schedule that appointment to you. We're going to talk about some very important things in that 20 to 30 minute conversation on the phone, just so you have a clear understanding of your finances, what our recommendations are for you, and how you can move forward in this market. Once that loan consultation is done, we contact your realtor, set up your search parameters for properties and so forth, and then they go out and start looking for your properties that fit your search parameters according to your purchase price. Okay. Once that is done, we negotiate with. Once we find a property, we negotiate with the selling side in order to help you go under contract. And from that point, your time you go under contract until close, you're looking at approximately 30 days to get into your home. So hopefully that gives you some clear expectations about what this process is like. Again, electronic application number 1, okay? Upload documents, number 2, okay? Number 3, we're going to structure your loan. Number 3 step for you is going to be your loan consultation with us to discuss your options. And then number 4, you're going to be what's part of our pre-approved and out looking for a home. Now, we understand that you may have bought a home before, and this may be different than the process you went through before, okay? But we want to get all the information up front, because once you go into contract, we want a smooth sailing process through underwriting and get your loan closed as seamlessly as possible. We may ask for some additional documents up front because we just want to make sure everything's in order to go into underwriting once you find a home. Hopefully that gives you clear expectations on how to work with our team. We look forward to serving you, like I said, whether it's your first home or your 101st home. Talk to you soon. See you next time on Major Money Matters.